Hi, we hope you're having a great trading week. Now, we're going to go through the trade that we've done today so that you can follow our trade if you really want to. We think it's a great trade. It's looking good. Look, we've been researching a number of shares to purchase this week. And we've looked at gold shares, and we've looked at getting into a retail stock. We know that the retail stocks are oversold. That basically means that a lot of the money has come in from overseas last year. The valuations are a little bit high, so this pullback that they've had recently has been expected. But there has been some things that have come into play that have made all the difference. Now, if you look at the graph that we've got on at the moment, this is SPAR. Now, we looked at SPAR and we thought this would also be a good trade, and it would have been as well. If you look at this green bar, it's actually shot up quite nicely. But we did look at the oscillators in the middle here, and if you look at the stochastic and you look at the relative strength, it's not really confirming the trade. So we left this one out. Okay, so on leaving that one out, we decided to have a look at Tiger Brands as well. And Tiger Brands, we are still looking at this trade because this is going to be a good trade as well. And if you look at this, it's just not confirming as well. She's got a very similar situation to SPAR, so we decided, okay, we won't trade this one right now as well. But there is one, and that is South Africa's favorite, Shoprite Holdings. This retailer has been the best retailer for a long time. Now, yesterday she hit a 200-day moving average, and that's a big sign. The 200-day moving average is probably one of the biggest supports. If it breaks through this, we've got a problem. But it seems to be holding on the 200-day moving average, and today she's showing a nice green bar and starting to move up. So we're taking an early trade here at 171 bucks. If you look at the oscillators, they are all at the bottom. They're not in the middle. They are starting to cross. So it's looking like this one is technically about to turn, and with it being one of the strongest retailers, we expect this one should turn first. But now, be very careful on this trade, because if you look at the trend, she's got a beautiful uptrend and she's got this big pullback here, which means it's got an opening wedge in the end here. So I would target 190 and get out, because this could very well start to turn in this area and come back down again. I doubt very much we're going to go straight back up to 210. I just don't see it coming. 185 to 190, our target is 190. If she starts to look a bit weak around the 185 mark, we might sell out of this baby, because yeah, you never know. Alright, so although these things are overvalued, we're taking a chance on it. But what we're looking at, we'll put a stop loss at 160 rand. So that if it hits 160 rand, it's gone through the 200-day moving average, it's looking bad, we'll get out and we'll take our losses, and it's the only way to look at it. But let's hope for our target of 190 rand, and that way we're making a nice tidy little profit on it. Now, on the gold shares, we did look at a couple of the gold shares. Now, I mean, if you look at Harmony, and Harmony is a biggie. Okay, this one's really dropped a lot. Look, way back when it was 100 rand, I said I wouldn't trade into this baby, because I didn't think it was valued at that much. I still don't think it's valued at that much. But it's dropped right down to 58 rand, and we were looking at it when it was around the 60 rand mark already, and it just keeps on dropping. So you can't catch a falling knife. These oaks are not confirming. They are at the bottom, but you could take a chance on it, but then you could have taken a chance on it at 70 rand as well, and it wouldn't have done anything for you. So let's be very careful. We're keeping an eye on it, and we'll see where it comes out. Look, if we're going to trade a gold share, it'll be Gold Fields or Anglo Gold. And looking at Gold Fields, let's just get it over there. Gold Fields is also not confirming at the moment, but as she is starting to turn, you could start to look at the trade here. I'm just a little bit worried about the RSI. The RSI being in the middle is a little bit tricky, but this is about to confirm. If the stochastic turns and starts to cross, you can look at a trade in this particular area. Okay, my next one, the Anglos. If you look at the Anglos, we're still researching this as well. This could also be a nice trade soon. With all the strikes surrounding Anglo the last couple of weeks and what have you, it's probably hurt this. But there she is. She's already moved up to 250. We could have taken this one around 240 odd. It is starting to confirm there, so you could have a good trade on this gold share, but just be careful of this long downtrend here. She's got a long downtrend. I was hoping to get in at around 240 and take it up to 250, but it's not a big trade, you know. If you look at this downtrend, that's a little bit scary. We'll continue to monitor these trades and then we'll see where we come out. If we decide to trade them, we'll let you know. Remember, if you trade ShopRite, keep a type stop loss. Don't let it go through 60 Rand and then sort of find yourself down at 80 Rand again or something silly. If it goes down there, get out. Okay. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading. Remember to subscribe for the updates and share this with a friend. Comments and questions are always welcome. We're always here to help. All the best. Have a good week. Please be advised that we sold Sasol today at 386.42. The reason for this, if you look at the graph, which is coming up now, it's hit kind of a overbought situation here. We're not going to ride it down again as we did previously, and we've held this stock for around 97 days. We don't like to hold a stock for more than a month, more than 28 days. So 99 days is a long hold for us, and we've decided to move on out of the stock. If you do hold it, it's up to you, but we recommend you sell it out now.